And you can see how well your thinking is. Okay, so my length times my width, again, that is my base. So I have 4 times 4 equals 16 times how many? 1, 2, 3. My height is 3 high. And 3 times 6 is 18. Carry. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 48 cubic units. All right. Now I need to draw my flaps out. Well, I'm going to have 3 rows, right? So I'm going to look at this one here just like I did up here. And I think it's going to be shorter. I made it too long. And again, you're the artist. I am the rookie. So just kind of do your very best. So I'm going to connect these lines. And connect these lines here. And connect these lines here. Erase this here. Oops. That's right. And then draw that line over. There we go. And then one more flap. Draw these lines here. And so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that comes out right, but I also have my 3 layers. So I'm going to shade in my base. I'm going to use the red again, outline my base. The more practice you get, the easier it will be. And so doing it this way, it's really reminding you what is the base, the area at the bottom of the box, and then when you're adding in the cubes, you'll find out how many cubes they can hold up by multiplying it by its height, how many layers it has. Okay, so next I'm going to color the first one blue. Okay. This here is going to be blue. Just going to move this right on over. Next one is going to be, I'll just stick to the pink. I have minimal amount of colors here. It's the next layer. Okay, and this is layer 2. Story 2, story, let's see, layer, stories for your heights. And then the last layer, we're going to do, we'll just do green. It's 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. So that counted 4 flaps, so I want to make sure that you didn't misunderstand me. Alright, and that's the way that would look. So you sketched out what it would look, that cube would look like. So you have a 4x4. The height is 1, 2, 3. So you have it here to show. You also have it here. This is 1, 2, 3. You have to understand it 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Whichever way. Now the last one, it says the bottom of the box is 4 units by 5 units, and the box is 3 units high. Oh, here's another drawing. All my sketchers are loving this tonight. Oh, okay. By 5 units, which means that it's going to be 5 units thick. So I'm not going to make it too long. Now I'm erasing this part here. I'm going to erase this part here. Okay, so I have 3 units high. So I'm going to make 1 is 3 units. I'm going to draw this line over here. Okay, so now I have 4, so I'm going to draw in 4 lines to make 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3. The length is 4. Okay, and then the width, this is going to be 5. So this is going to be a little crazy. So 1, oops, I can already mess it up. This part I've never been an expert at, so I want you to just try to do your very, very, very best. Kind of changed that picture up a little bit, didn't it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we have 5 units on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the width is 5. And I'm 3 high. There you go. Wow. So I have 3 layers. So I'm going to color the first layer. 1. Second layer. I color it pink. And the third layer, I'm going to color that one green. Okay. Now I know my length is 4, my width is 5. This is what it said. I have 4 units for my length and 5 units for my width. So we said that the volume equals, I forgot to make my prediction. Let's just say 60 cubic units. So my volume equals length times width times height. I just said that it was going to be I'm going to put the length and the width in parentheses. It's going to be a 4 by 5. And then my height, it's 1, 2, 3 stories tall. So I have 20 times 3 equals 60 cubic units. So 60 units, you'll have to get 60 snapping cubes that will go into this box and fit perfectly. All right, that was it for tonight's homework. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you were able to have a better understanding. When we took that little verbal quiz, that's exactly what I was asking you, was what would be the area of it? How did you know? That's your base. And then how many layers did it have? So you were just multiplying it by how tall it was. And that was it. So I really hope it helped. You guys have a great night. After you finish this, kick back, relax, and enjoy the time with your family. And happy Valentine's. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.